Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Interesting. I think we're going to do this as about 4 elements, maybe. First element. Pull that 120. That wants to be 60 high. Background to this. Giving it some margins. Probably about 90. Let's go as far as 95. Okay, yeah, that's... Oh no, we want that further than that. So 150. About 120. Then make it 80. Nope. 60. Nope. 40. 30. 25. 67. And give it a nice big border radius. Okay. Second one. $85. Yeah, right. Bit bigger, so 85 plus 25, 9110. Right, and then let's bring in the sides. 60. How about 55? 57. How about 52? 52 looks good. Okay. And then we're going to need another P. I think we'll actually make this one the bottom half circle, and then we'll go back up. So let's do margin of 10 and 72. Not 772. How about 82? 92 might be somewhere near right. Set the height to maybe 220. Okay, that looks good. Then we want one more element. Let's temporarily do this background in red so that I can see it. Okay, margin. If that happens to be in line, it would be great. It's not. So minus 200, 300, 320, 30, 335. Let the height to be 80. Yep. And give it a margin inwards of 10, 112. No, 108. Maybe 107. Then we're actually going to give this background of a radial gradient. That looks like white, so let's use white. 80 minus 20 is 60, so let's try 30 pixels. And then that dark color. Let's remember to give it a 1Q. Then let's do 0 flash. Measure between two, so call that 155. That's probably 245. So 90 pixels. Minus 10 pixels maybe. How about minus 5 pixels? That looks fairly good. That is 100%. So let's minify and unit replace. Then strip out all of this. Take out that. Check that we haven't broken anything. Okay, what did it break? Oh, okay, that'll be this bit. Yeah. I think in this particular case, we might save characters by replacing height with -H. Because it's repeated enough times. No, that breaks even. probably means that likewise margin would break even, which is not useful. Relatively happy with that. So that's actually where I'm going to leave it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.